Thank you so much for those meaningful words with lots of wonderful insights. Your interest in orange, your concern for Tamenglong is highly appreciated. Let us hope Tamenglong orange will be known and found all over the country soon. Thank you so much for coming to our district for this 15th state level Orange Festival as the chief guest. We wish you all the best in your work. The people of Tamenglong also wish you a very, very happy Christmas 2018 and a happy New Year 2019. With this, we come to the end of today's celebration. The chief guests and the dignitaries would be visiting the stalls now. Stall kabangay menun ko na tay minister na ani tong chief guest kani guest of honor kani may bay may dignitaries ko tay za kung tapat pane may za ko na kabam kata bam chui na bam lawo riu se na riu law na po na ithay pitong stall tay so krang bam riu mai kong khata bam tan law na po. Sai dong chief guest kani by my dignitaries goi na stall visit to na sai kang to loi mai supinite me goi na ta pai na thungku the din na tan bam khan dung siri ri law na king siri ri law na bam ma khang tai pai na thungku pitung the stall tai visit su loi kan di ho ta hat ta palaw da gai ri o. Things in high, Kung Pungu Kokahau Dupane, Mikau High Zillingrong Film Forum, Akani Bye Bye Ma New Tuang, local artist Pangrana performs Gaipane, Ekuma Orange Lema contest ni Pung Surok Hakumanai Dupane, Mizang Kronamugo in a Gungsi in a Wang Lao Puo, Kamlong Ngai, and a Sabameta Tong Kam Meti Migite, a San Mukra Te, sightings in last Dite, last Go High, Queen contest Hakumanai Bamte. Mizang Kurena, Sai Zimbang Hai, Naptu Zaimai Lake, Puan Lu Mepiu Lake, Hepubam Ko Hai, Lui Mituang Taimuguena, Naila na Kadam Lot Samko, Takuma, Titai Lada Pitung Te. The evening program will begin at 5 o'clock. There would be performances from the Zillingrong Film Forum and various other local artists. That will be at 5 p.m. At 6 p.m., there will be the contest of the Orange Screen 2018. So I would like to request the public to come on time and witness these two last items, so to say.
And all of this happened